Today I'd like to explain to you how to install Home Legends HLVT flooring. This is the product. It's a click lock product. Here you have the groove with the tongue will insert into, and here's the tongue. Okay, go about installing the product and joining it in. It's a lifting motion to install it and laying it down to lock it. The next piece, lift it, and before you lock that in, take your second piece, lock it into the side, and then drop it. So there's very little tapping that you need to do. But any spacing that needs to be printed with, you can do very easily. Very little tapping. Next row the same way. Lifting the end. Again. Very little tapping.